Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about two of the most important DML statements, which are update and delete. Update statement can be used to modify existing records of a table, and delete statement can be used to delete rows from a table. And we will first discuss about the basic syntax of each statement, and then let's practice few real-time based scenarios. So let me begin with update statement. So as you can see here, this is the syntax of an update statement. Update table name, so the table that you are going to update, and then set column name equal to value. So this column name is from this table, and the value that you are going to update into this column is this. And then where condition. So if you want to update the columns for any specific rows, it's like based on department number or based on job or based on any date, you have to mention the condition clearly in where clause. If you are not giving any condition in where clause, that means you are going to update the values, all the values in a table, all the rows in a table. So make sure you are giving a condition whenever you want to update a specific or particular records of a table. And coming to delete statement, so the syntax of delete statement is delete from table. So this is a table name, so from which you want to delete the records from, and the condition. So if you are not giving a condition and you are simply executing the syntax like delete from and then table name, that means you are deleting all the records from a table. So let's say you want to delete a particular department details. It's a department number 10. So at that time you have to put the condition in where clause so that this delete statement can be reflected to those records. I mean department 10 records only. So now let's see a few examples. So first I will create a new table to perform these update and delete operations. So this syntax is to create a new table using an existing table. And if you are giving where 1 equal to 1, that means you are copying both table structure and table data from this table to this table. So let me execute it. Okay, table is already there in database. So let me drop the table first. Light tab. Okay, table has dropped. And now let me run this syntax one more time. Okay, table has created. Let me query the table. Yeah, we are able to create a table along with the data successfully. So we can perform these update and delete operations on this table. So my first scenario is going to be to update the salary to 1000 wherever the commission is not null. So as you can see here, there are 4 rows we have which has commission value. So I want to update for these employees salary as 1000, right? So means in this syntax I am going to update only one column, that is commission, and condition is going to be commission is not null. So let me write the syntax accordingly. Update emp tab set. So here I want to update salary column to 1000, where like this tells you which rows you want to update. So I want to update the rows where commission is not null. So commission is going to be the column name is not null. So let me execute it. So 4 rows updated as expected. So let me run the table and check. So as you can see here, the salary has updated to 1000 for all the rows wherever you see the commission is not null. So this is how we update, a single column. Now let's update, 2 columns in a same table. So the condition is going to be, so wherever the department number is 10, I want to update salary as 5000 and commission as 500. So for the employees who are working under 10th department. So let me write the syntax for that. Update table name emp tab set salary equal to 5000, comma commission equal to 500. So you can use comma to differentiate one column to another column. Even if you want to add more columns to update certain values, you can use comma and then you can proceed with your next column. So the condition here is going to be department number 10. So I want to update the salary and commission values only for the employees who are working under department number 10. So let me execute it. Okay, 3 rows updated. Now, so you can see 10th department employees 5000 and 500, another employee 5500, third employee 5500. So this is how you can mention or update more than one column at a time. So now let me run the same syntax without where clause, without a condition, and see what will happen. So let me comment this line. Let me execute it. So overall, like all 14 rows got updated because there is no condition, right, to to filter the rows or to update for certain rows or columns. So now if you run the table, so for all the rows, for all the employees, the commission is 500. So this is how update works for all the rows if you are not giving a condition in the where clause. And make sure when you perform any DML operation, it could be insert, update, delete. So you have to commit the session so that the changes you are making will be done permanently. Okay. And coming to the update delete. So first I want to delete the employees who are working in 20th department. So first I will query the employees who are working in 20th department, number 20. To see how many employees are there, how many rows are there. So we have 5 employees from 20th department. So I'm going to use delete statement to delete all these employees. Delete from emp tab where department number equal to 20. So this delete statement deletes the rows of employees which are currently working under 20th department. So let me run it. So as you can see, 5 rows got deleted. Now let me run the table again. So the previous SQL query. So there is no data. But if you run for all the rows, so the rest of the employees are there. And now let me run the same syntax without wait clause and see what will happen. So I'm not giving any condition. That means I'm not using any where clause here. So I just want to perform delete statement or operation on top of all the rows in a table. So let me execute it. So 9 rows deleted. And if you run the query now without entire table now, so all the rows are deleted from the table. So this is how we use update and delete statements in Oracle SQL. And even if you want to delete or update based on based on one or more than one column, you can also do that. So this is all I have for today. If you have any questions on any one of these statements, you can email me or update your question in the comment section of this video. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next session. Thank you.